Good morning. Steve Sosnick here with today's Interactive Brokers Morning Market Morsel for February 19th. We're back. It's Tuesday after a three-day weekend here in North America. I certainly feel refreshed. It was a good weekend, but a lot of people are off this week. It's a school vacation in a lot of places, and the markets seem to reflect that. As I'm speaking now, the S&P futures sold off a little bit in the morning and basically have been meandering around unchanged after an hour or so. It's really a difficult day to characterize. One of my friends who's a journalist described this as having to make chicken salad out of chicken scratch. He actually used a different word, but that I can't use. But basically, there's just certain days where you can't really make too much of it. The one theme that I would take away is retail. Walmart definitely had very good numbers for the fourth quarter. The stock is rallying on the back of them. I think it bodes well not only for consumer spending. The Walmart customer should have benefited. When you think about it, that's middle America. They benefit from lower oil prices. They benefit from, lower gas prices, really. It costs less to fill up your cars and SUVs. Which leaves you more money to spend at a place like Walmart. People obviously, you can see from the consumer sentiment numbers that people are feeling good about the economy, and that's when you go out and spend money. What they say to a survey doesn't really matter so much as what they actually do at a cash register or at a computer terminal, and that seemed to be going well for Walmart. One could basically say that their growth in online may not bode well for Amazon and making them a real competitor, but Amazon's up $16 or so as we're taping this. So the market seems to be taking pretty much that with a glass half full as well. A good consumer is good for so many sectors of the economy. We'll see where that goes. And I've been worried about this for some months. It was difficult to verbalize at first because it was tough to find the evidence. It's still tough to find the evidence now. I still am concerned about tax refunds, and that would have a meaningful effect at Walmart, at Best Buy, at all kinds of places. For many wage earners, their tax refund is the single biggest check they get all year. Effectively, it's a bonus payment, even though it's really just a return of their own money. And with the new tax rules, people in high tax states will probably be seeing less or have or have to spend that on tax liabilities in other places, or people haven't necessarily updated their withholdings because when the withholding table changed, in theory they should be left with less because they were returned more of their own money as the year went on. But if you're expecting a big refund and you've been getting it $10, $20 at a time throughout the course of the year, that could have a negative psychological impact. It's really too early to characterize that, but that would be the big thing that I would be keeping an eye on as we go in this space. In the meantime, though, shapes up as a relatively quiet day, potentially even a quiet week, and we'll see where things go from there. Take care. Bye-bye.